Hello everyone, welcome back to my new blog. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to in my field and I am so excited to take you all with me. So there you can see that this is our field and my uncle and my father are sowing the paddy, and after that I will go in my this you can see that this is the our mangoes field. So now I am going to collect some mangoes. Looks there mangoes that has fall from the tree. So just wait for a while. You can see that this is the mango, and after that come from the mangoes tree, and now I am going to help them for a while. And you can see that after coming back home, I took a bath and now I am going to make roti. So, first I am making dough balls. Now I am rolling the dough. You can see that's just I am scrolling my roti with the tongs, and next after that I will placing on the pan, and I will cook the properly, and after that I will blowing air into the traditional clay, and this is called also chula in the village area. So friend, if you are like my video, so please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and your family. Please support to me because this is my new YouTube channel. If you will support to my channel, so my channel will definitely to increase, and it will definitely to help you because I am also beginner and I want to improve my the communication. That's why I start the channel. If you will continuously watch to my video, you will surely to learn something different from the another YouTube channel. And this is I'm doing like arranging the something of wood in my stove, and now I am blowing the airs, and after that the all process has to complete, and this is the my uh, final output. So how do I look my roti? Tell me in the comments.